Hello students, welcome to the video. Today we are studying the next lesson, that is 11th lesson from the first term, that is algebraic expression. Here we are studying only the multiplication and division of algebraic expression that we have studied some portions in the previous classes, and from that we have studied about the constants, the variables, the terms, and about the combination of a constant and a term. What is a constant? A constant. What is a constant? A symbol with which does not sorry a symbol with a value exists. That is, if 5 is a constant, 5 is this 5 has a value, and root 3 and 2 by 7, these are all constant. That is root 5, these are all constant. That which has values are called constant. And a variable is equal to a that is a symbol which does not exist. A value is a variable, that is a, x, y, etc. These alphabets are called, and also alpha, beta are all these are all variables. We can use variables, that is a, x, y, etc. That is any alphabet we can choose it as a variable. And the combination of, we can combine this variables, that is 5 plus a variable, 5 and a variable. This 5a is a variable, also a variable. This 5, the combination of a constant and a variable is a variable. A combination of a constant and a variable is also a variable. And a combination of 2 or more variables and a constant, that is 5xy, 5xy, x by y. These are variables. And what is a term? A term, what is a term? A term is a number or a variable, or the combination of both the number and a variable. That is, this is a term. 5 is a term, and xy is also a term, and 3x square, these are all terms. These are all terms. These are, that is a number or a combination of a constant and a variable, that is 5x, that is 32x square. These are all terms. That is a single term. That is, this is a term. And what are algebraic expression? Next, what are algebraic expression? What are algebraic expression? We know that is the combination of a variable. These terms are also called algebraic expression. That is the combination of a term and a constant are called algebraic expression. That is equal to 3x square and with the plus or minus. That is combined with the plus or minus. And as algebraic expression means combining a constant and variables with a plus or minus is called an algebraic expression. That is 3x square plus 2x plus 3. Thus here it is, this is a single term, 3x square, and the next term is 2x, and the last constant, this is a constant, is 3. That is here. And what is the degree of this expression? What is the degree of the next is, what is the degree of this expression? And degree means the highest power of an expression is called the degree of this expression. Degree of an expression. Degree of an expression. What is it? This is the highest power. That is, here the highest power of x is equal to this 2. Here it is 1, and here there is no variable is there. The variable of the highest power of the variable, this variable, x is the variable, and the highest power is equal to 2. Here it is 1, and here is no variable is there. So we can say that the degree of this expression is 2. And the next, that is equal to 3x square y, 3x square y cube plus 5xy plus 6, that is equal to, here the power, that is here the greatest power, that is x with the power 2, y with the power 3, and here it is 1, and y is also 1. And here the expression, here for this expression the degree is equal to 3. That is called the degree of an expression. Here there are the different types of algebraic expressions. The first one is a monomial. What is a monomial? Monomial means an expression with only one term. An expression with only one term is called a monomial. That is, with only only one term. An expression with only one term is called a monomial. That is, for example, 5 is a monomial. 3x by 2 is also a monomial. These are called this, but only one term is called a monomial. And then next is a binomial. This is one. And second one is a binomial. What is binomial? Okay, this bi means 2. Here mono means 1. Here it is bi means 2. With this name, that is we can, that is from this name, we know that is binomial is with the two terms. With the two terms are called an expression with the two terms are called a binomial. That is a 5 plus 6. That is this 5 is a term and x is a term. With the two terms. With the two terms are called a binomial. That is 5 is a term and x, that is x is another term, or 3x square plus 2x. These are all binomials. And third one is a trinomial. Trinomial means, tri means 3, and here with the expression with the three terms, that is 2x square plus 5x plus 3. These are with the three terms, that is first term, second term and third term. The first term, second term and third term. That is fourth one is a polynomial or a multinomial. That is polynomial or a multinomial. That means polynomial means an expression with the two or more terms. Two or more terms are called a polynomial. Polynomials means an expression with the two or more terms. That is 7x square x plus 3 is also a polynomial, and 7x square plus 3x plus 2 is also a polynomial. Here these are all with the two or more terms are called polynomials. Okay, next step, this degree of a polynomial. That is, what is the degree of a polynomial? This is an expression that is with the three terms, that is 3x square minus 8x plus 4. This is a polynomial. Polynomial means, what is a polynomial? Polynomials are that is with the two or more terms combining with the minus or plus. Minus or plus are called polynomials. That's here there are three terms and this is a polynomial. That is, what is the degree of the polynomial? That means the degree of the polynomial means, that is here the variable is x. The variable is x and the power of this x is equal to, here it is 2 and here this is 1. X is here, the power of x is equal to 2 and here it is 1. So that we can say that the highest power is 2 and the degree of this polynomial is 2. Let's see another example, that is 3 by 7 y square plus 4 by 9 y raised to 5 minus 1 by 5 y raised to 8 plus 15 y. And here the single variable, that is y, and the power of y is equal to, in first term it is 2 and in second term it is 5 and third term it is 8 and last term it is 1. This y means y raised to 1 time y. That is here, which is the greatest power of this y, and here it is 8 is the greatest power of this y, these variables, and we can say that degree of this polynomial is highest. The degree of this polynomial is 8. This is called the degree of polynomial. Okay, next is multiplication of an algebraic expression. Here we are studying only about multiplication division in this lesson. And here, how can we multiply an algebraic expression? And for that, x, y, z are three literals for, that is for x, y and z. We can write it as x raised to m into x raised to n. Here it is multiplication. We can write x raised to m into x raised to n is equal to, x is the base, the same base x. Here is the same base x raised to m plus n. X raised to m plus n. We can, that is adding, and it is multiplication, adding the exponents, that is m plus n. We already studied in the lesson exponents about this. That is x raised to, this is the power law, that is x raised to m into x raised to n is equal to x raised to m plus n. X raised to m into x raised to n is equal to x raised to m plus n. And for an example, that if it is x raised to 3 into x raised to 5, that is equal to x raised to 3 plus 5. That is equal to x raised to 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. X raised to 8. And then another example, this is 1, this is 2, that is x raised to 4 y square z cube into x cube y raised to 1 z raised to 2 into x raised to 2 y raised to 1 and y raised to 5 and z raised to 1. Z raised to 1. How can we add this? That is, these are the variables are x, y and z. First, take the variable x and adding the powers, that is here it is multiplication. So adding the powers, that is 4. Here it is 4. First variable x, the power exponent is 4, and here the power is 3 plus 3, and third one is the power is 2. And for the second variable y, and first here the exponent is 2, and for second it is 1, that is only 1 y, and the third one it is y raised to 5, and third one is z. The powers are 3 plus 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2 plus 1, and adding this the exponents, that is equal to 4 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 7, 9. Next, x raised to 9, y raised to 2 plus 1, 3 plus 5, 8, and z raised to 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. This is the value of this. X raised to 9, y raised to 8, z raised to 6 is the value of this expression. Here, multiplying a monomial by a monomial. How can we multiply this expression? This algebraic expression, that is here it is a monomial with one term. Here also a monomial with one term. That's monomial means with the one term. That is 8ab square, 8ab square into minus 4a cube b raised to 4. 8ab square into minus 4a cube b square. First you multiply the coefficient. These are called the coefficient. These terms are called the coefficient of a cube b raised to 4. And then what is the coefficient of 8? 8 is equal to ab square. And then first you multiply the coefficients of ab. That is equal to 8 into, this is the first step, 8 into minus 4. And this is the first step. And in the second step it is multiplying the variables. That is ab square into a cube b raised to 4. A cube b raised to 4. And in first step it is 8 into minus 4 is equal to minus 32. 8 4s are 32. 8 into minus 4. Minus 4 plus into minus is minus, and minus 32. And in second step it is, what is it? A b square into a cube b raised to 4. And the first variable is a. And then here for this, this is equal to adding the exponents. That is here it is 1 plus 3. And for b it is, what is it? 2, the power is 2, and here it is 4. That is 2 plus 4. That is we get is equal to a raised to 4, b raised to 6. A raised to 4, b raised to 6. And after that, and third step is multiplying, that is 1 into 2. Multiplying 1 into 2, that means we get minus 32 into a raised to 4, b raised to 6 is equal to minus 32 a raised to 4, b raised to 6. This is the answer for multiplying a monomial by a monomial. Next part is multiplying a polynomial by a monomial. Multiplying, this is a polynomial with 3 terms into a monomial, that is minus 3. How can we multiply? That is using using 2 methods. That is, first method is 2a square minus 5a minus 4. That is, using 2 methods we can multiply this polynomial into a monomial. That is the first method is, that is by using proper multiplication, that is minus 3a. Okay, that is 2a square minus 5a minus 4 into minus 3a. That is, first multiply minus 3a into minus 4. That is equal to plus 12a. That is plus 12a. That is, after that, that is minus 5a minus 3a. That is minus into minus plus. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. 15 a into a is equal to a square. A into a is equal to a square. Then after that, 2 into minus 3. That is 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. And then a square into a is equal to, here it is 2a, and here it is 1a. That is 2 plus 1 is equal to a cube minus 6a cube plus 15a square plus 12. This is the answer. And in alternative method, we can multiply it by, that is 2a square minus 5a minus 4 into, that is using the these brackets, we can multiply, that is into minus 3a. Minus 3a. And then first, with the first term, that is 2a square into minus 3a. Minus 2a square into minus 3a. And then minus, this minus 5 into 5a into minus 3a. And then last term is minus 4 into minus 3a. That is equal to minus 2 into minus 3, 6. Sorry, this 2, this is 2, not minus. 2 into 3 is minus 6. A square into a is a cube. And then minus 5 into minus 3 is plus 15. This is minus 5. And then after that, minus 5 into minus 3. 15. And a raised to, here it is a, 1a. And here it is 1a. That is a raised to 1 plus 1. That is a square. And last one is minus 4 into minus 3. It is plus 12. And there is only one variable, that is a. This is the answer. These two answers are same. That is minus 6a cube plus 15a square plus 12a. This is the alternative method and this is the first method. And the next form is multiplying a polynomial by a polynomial. Multiplying a polynomial by a polynomial. And here the first one is x square. And here also we can multiply this by two methods. That is, first one is by proper multiplication method. And then by the alternative method, that is, I will show you later. That is, here first one, it is x square minus 4x plus 7 into x minus 2. X minus 2. X square minus 4x plus 7 by multiply by x minus 2. First you multiply this x. First one, it's the left side. That is multiplying this x to 7. And then write in below here, that is x into plus 7, it is 7x. That is plus 7x. And after that, x into minus 4x. That is, this is plus, this is minus though. So that it is minus 4x square. Minus 4x square. And after that, last one is minus 4x square. And this is equal to x into x. X cube. X into x is equal to x cube. And the second step, it is by multiplying with minus. And then that is minus 7 into, that is minus 2 into 7. Minus 2 into 7. Here we are writing here, that is minus 14. Minus 14. Minus 14. That is minus 2 into plus 7. That is minus 14. And after that, minus 2 into minus 4x. That is minus 4x is, that is minus 4 into minus 2 is equal to plus 8. Plus 8x. Plus 8x. And after that, it is, last term, it is minus 2 into x square. That is minus x. Minus 2x square. Minus 2x square. Minus 2 into x square is minus 2x square. And then adding, we get x cube. That is minus 2 minus 6x square plus 15x minus 14. X cube minus 6 square plus 15x minus 14. This is the answer. With alternative method, we can multiply this. That is, how can we multiply this with alternative method? That is equal to x square minus 4x plus 7 into, by using bracket, that is equal to x minus 2. That is x square into x. X square into x. Multiplying this first x inside this. Minus 4x into x plus 7 into x. And after that, x square into minus 2, that is minus 2x square. Minus 2x square. And then minus 4x into minus 2, that is minus 8. Plus 8. Plus 8x. And then plus 7 into 2, that is minus 14. And then that is equal to, that is this bracket. That after that, x square and 2x square, that is equal to cancelling this, we get minus x square minus, that is x square into x minus x square into x square. X square into x is equal to, that is x cube. That is equal to x cube minus 4x into 4x square plus 7x minus 2x square plus 8x minus 40. That is equal to x cube minus 4x x square and minus 2x square. This is minus 4x square and here it is minus 2x square. Minus 4 minus 2, it is minus 6x square, and then plus 7x and 8x, that is equal to 15x minus 40. These two answers, and here it is also x cube minus 6x square plus 15x minus 14. Both these answers are same. So this is the multiplication, that is by the multiplication, that is by divided by this first polynomial, that x square minus 4x plus 7 into x minus 2. Here is also using this bracket method, that is equal to x square minus 4x plus 7 into x minus 2. That is, the answers are same, that is x cube minus 6x square plus 15x minus 14. Hope you understood this class. We can in the next class we will study the division